What up, guys? Back at it again with another video. Today we got my boy Dinsdale Dillion.
What's up, guys?
We're gonna be just doing a simple, quick video how to change the oil in a Integra. So let's get it. All right, guys. First things first, you want to make sure you got a jack under there. Safety first.
Photographer Dylan over here. So what are we doing here, Kenny?
All right, guys. Once you got the jack underneath, you're gonna want to lower the jack slowly. All right, guys. Tip that I want to give you, thanks to my boy Chris, is loosen the oil cap and your dipstick. That way, when you go ahead and unbolt your little oil filter thing and your oil, your drain plug, it doesn't squirt out at you. All right. All right, guys, we're underneath the car. So your oil filter is located on your driver's side if you're in the U.S. The left-hand side, and it's right up in here. So you're gonna want to you should be able to turn this. It should just pop right off. All right, guys, you're gonna want to take out this drain plug first. You're gonna hit it with a 17 millimeter.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Alright, guys, I'm gonna take out the oil filter. Let's hope I don't fuck up just like I did the drain plug.
Yeah, it's $20 a week.
Put that right here.
A few moments later.
Shout out to O'Reilly's. You're gonna wanna lube up the oil filter. Just dip your hand in there. Nice little lube action, you know. Alright, guys, so you're gonna wanna put your oil filter right over here.
The drain plug when you're ready to put it on.
Appreciate it, bro. You're just gonna want to hand tighten it, not too much.
Because they can't get it off.
Alright, guys, you're gonna want to grab your drain plug, plug it right back in, likewise. Get your 17. Alright, and then if you got any excess oil, just give it a nice wipe. Alright, guys, next up you're gonna pour your oil. Make sure it's a 5W30, that's what's recommended. I just went with full synthetic, super synthetic, whatever. Mobil 1, because race car. And you're gonna wanna do, I think, 4 quarts. Alright, guys, once you put your 4 quarts in, put your oil cup back in. Make sure it's nice and tight. Make sure your dipstick is back in. And get ready to drop the car down. Why is everyone watching? Look at them.
We're putting a show on.
Can't be right here.
gang.
More support.
You gotta like blur out the everything.
No. Sundays are for the boys.
Ooh.
Sundays are for the boys. Hey.
What are you doing Saturday? Boys.
The boys. I don't know if I can schedule in. I'm pretty full. Sundays are for the boys.
Alright guys, gonna want to drop this.
For the next 3 months, I'm busy.
Lift it up just a little bit so that way you can get your jack out from underneath. Slowly take out the jack, or lower down the jack. That's my dad.
Hey guys. Don't worry about the noises. It's an old car. If it happens, don't be scared.
We don't know what we're doing.
She got locked outside the house with no car keys.
Hold up, I thought you were about to say got locked up for a second.
She got locked out the house, not locked up. She ain't a hooligan.
Alright guys, you're gonna want to drop the other side, so just raise this side just a little bit so that you can take out the jack from underneath. A little bit more. Really? I gotta go a little bit more.
Again.
Those are fucking huge. They're so big.
I know,
They're
I
so
know.
big.
The one on 240 is what I'm using. The little ones. The 240.
You work with what you got, but make sure you're safe.
Safety first.
Always safety first when you get in
Remember
your
that,
car.
safety first. Dad, I know you're watching. Safety first.
I'm right here.
Never drink beer with dad.
My bad.
Real logical dad.
That's my dad.
Alright.
But before you guys leave, I just want to introduce you to my S13 hatch. It's currently got an RB20 swap. Shout out to Chips.
They ruined the scene, right?
Rip.
Drop the chips.
Ripperino, drop the chips.
Doctor.
I'll catch you guys on the flip side.